During the day, we come across so many different energies, or we spend most of our time in the digital stimulus, and that leads to stress or anxiety. We feel lethargic, unable to sleep at night, and later on, we are unable to perform the task to our best potential. So, how do we break this cycle? That is when grounding becomes so important. And there are different ways to ground yourself. Number first, conscious barefoot walk. Just step outside in the park or nearby lawn. Just step outside and walk on the earth and ground yourself. Number two, sleeping on the ground. Just spread a mat and lie down. It will help you with the back pain as well. Number three, planting. Get your hands in that soil and ground yourself and just connect with that energy, with that earth. Number four, breathing exercises. It will help you to connect with your breath and help you to navigate your emotions in the best way. Number five, spend some time outside with the cows or with the dogs. Just be there, pet them, cuddle with them. Just connect yourself to the nature around you. Grounding oneself or being present to yourself is all about getting yourself aligned to your highest purpose, not getting too elated or too depressed. It is that perfect balance where you are present with your own essence.